In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Zoho People account. If you've stopped using Zoho People or you're moving to a different HR tool, it's a good idea to properly close things out so your data isn't just sitting there unused. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what's happening along the way, and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect before you hit that final delete button. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho People account in a web browser. While you might be able to access some options from the mobile app, account closure is more reliable and easier to manage on the desktop site. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon depending on how your profile is set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open the profile menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled My Account. This section is where Zoho places all the core settings related to your identity, security, and overall account preferences, not just for Zoho People, but often for the broader Zoho ecosystem linked to your login. When you click My Account, you'll be taken to a new page or tab where you can manage these account level details. Once you're on the My Account page, you'll need to look for an option related to closing your account or deleting your organization. Depending on how your Zoho People setup is configured, you may see something like Close Account if you're dealing with a personal level account, or Delete Organization if you have an organization, workspace, or admin account. This option is usually found under Security, Privacy, or Account Settings. Take a moment to carefully read any notes or descriptions near this option. Zoho may indicate whether this will impact only Zoho People or other connected Zoho services. When you've located the Close Account or Delete Organization option, click it to begin the removal process. At this point, Zoho will typically guide you through a few confirmation steps. These steps are designed to make sure you really intend to delete the account and that you understand the consequences. You may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password again, responding to a verification email, or confirming through a code sent to your device. Follow each on-screen instruction carefully and don't rush. If the page mentions data loss, billing, or loss of access for other users in your organization, read those messages closely so there are no surprises later. As you move through the confirmation steps, you might also see warnings that once the deletion is complete, your data settings and possibly other linked services cannot be recovered. If there's anything you want to keep, such as reports, records, or configuration details, this is your last chance to back it up or export it before continuing. Finally, after you've completed all of Zoho's confirmation prompts, you'll see a final button or message asking you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the account or organization. Once you click this final confirmation, the deletion process is triggered. In some cases, Zoho may delete the account immediately. In others, it might schedule the deletion or give you a short window to reverse it. After confirming, you should see a message indicating that your Zoho People account or organization has been closed or marked for deletion, and you'll be signed out. That's all you need to do. By following these steps carefully, you can cleanly and securely delete your Zoho People account when you no longer need it.